Hi everyone, I hope you're quite well. And today I have fonts. Here is Miafak fonts and here a Pasternak script. So OTF, TTF and WOFF file. I don't know about this. And here is just you can use in Android phone or in laptop, computer, etc. Same like here TTF and OTF file. Like a signature font, you can install it and open Photoshop, create new layer, and I write my channel name Sheri SK, color is black, and find a new font. MIH. You see here. Enter. These fonts are in capital and here is small letter SHERI, Sheri SK, a signature font, size going with 100 or 200. You see here in this font in capital and here is small letter. I delete this and write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. So here is no more option bolds, defaults or etc, just this font. And the second font is regular and regular. Here install this Pasternak and write in capital Sheri SK, resolution is 200 and P regular. Wow, these are in capital and here is small letter Sheri SK 1 2 3 4 5 7 8 9 10. I hope this font is useful for you. Kindly subscribe my channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz.